How to clear Pinterest history. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Pinterest application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and you will be led to your account settings page. Here, if you tap on the privacy and data option, you will see the option for clear app cache there. So tap on the clear app cache option you see there, and with this, the app cache will be cleared. However, if you go back and tap on the search bar, then as you can see, the search history has not been deleted. So, if you want to clearly delete the search history on your Pinterest app, then the only option is to manually delete each and every one of them by simply tapping on the cross icon right beside the search history. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.